Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. In today's video update here for Jasmy, we are trading at 0.004799. 24-hour volume, we are down 24%, and market cap, we're down 2.35%. So quickly heading over to our immediate short term for 1 hour, we are taking a look at a few price levels, but most importantly, an area of support because we see a few things here. So one of the things that I like to use is our MACD indicator. If you guys follow the channel here, we can see the MACD indicator is opening up another wave of this momentum, and the strength on this momentum of this bear wave is immensely strong here. So we can see that the histograms or these bars are gradually getting bigger, hence it is making the momentum even stronger here. We can see that the MACD line, which is the blue line compared to the signal line, is growing further apart, and when they do grow further apart here, that is where the strength is that we're seeing. Now, kind of going over to the candlesticks here that we see, of course, we see the volume itself is going into red. We see a break or a rejection from our 20 moving average since that growth here that we saw hitting resistance level here. Now, of course, with the uptrend, what we were creating was a lot of higher peaks, so higher highs we were creating here. And of course, here it flat toned and created this consolidation, which showed that weakness of the buyers. So now it created a lower low here and continue to create lower lows as we are in a deep correction or a possible reversal at this point here. So at this peak here, we can see going into the second rejection line, we saw the MACD indicator change from the green over to the red. And it's just a matter of time of, are we going to be losing that momentum or are we going to be gaining that momentum on the bear side? And it does, again, looks like we are going to gain that momentum going into a downtrend and ultimately reverse this uptrend here. So once we are broken below the 20 moving average, the change of the trend is it changes. Now, here is the 50 moving average. Again, moving averages can be used as an area of support and resistance level. If we do see a break through the 50 moving average here, we are going to come down to this area of support here at the 4738. If I do kind of scroll along here, we can see this level was used as a resistance and most importantly as an area of support. So taking a look here, March 20th was an area of support. Here again was an area of resistance, March 22nd, support, March 23rd here, and then continued on. So we know this is a tested area of resistance turned into support, and it's just a matter of time of us coming down and testing this area of support. If we do see the price come down to this area here, ultimately it does depend on the momentum. If the momentum of our MACD indicator is continuously going strong, then we're ultimately going to break this area of support coming down to our next retracement level. We can see a few of our candlesticks. Wicks at the very bottom here in March 20th coming down to the 50% range. Quickly, I am just going to take a look at some supply and demands from just this date here from March 15th. We're going to pull out our volume indicator, which is our fixed range, and then just grab that data all the way from here. Now, as we can see a few of our clusters. Again, when we are moving away from an area of body of supply and demand, the price is going to move closer to another one. So if we can just see that right here, we can see that right below our area of support is ultimately that end of this cluster. So if we do lose that area of support, we're going to anticipate that Jasmy may drop into this line of support here where we see more clusters of volume. And if you can see already, that's gravitating towards the 38% of our fib. So knowing that if we are going to break through this area of support here of our line, retest that support, break it. If we see continuous candlesticks close below it, then we are going to retest this area of supply at the 38%, which is equivalent to 4612. So that's kind of what we're looking for, or I'm looking for as areas of support. Thank you so much for joining me in today's video. Like, subscribe, and comment down below, but I'll see you next time. Bye.